you know I'm a big fan of Caudabe. You know, they're the first company to actually send me some sample cases to review. I've got a video down below linked if you would like to check out the unboxing and review of the Caudabe cases. But they recently came out with something I couldn't resist. So my EDC, I get asked sometimes, what is your everyday carry case? What is your favorite case? And up to this point, that has been the Caudabe Sheath. I love the Caudabe Sheath because it's super thin, but it's still protective. So it does protect up to 6 feet in terms of drops. It has, it's a really thin case, but there is a bit of a thick kind of material here that just, that provides that protection. It has a super grippy feel to it, a really nice texture around the back. And it looks really elegant. Well, they recently came out with the electric blue version of the Sheath. And so I definitely had to pick that up. So ordered the electric blue version. It came in the mail the other day. I've been holding on to it till now to unbox it and take a look at it. And here you go. Electric blue Caudabe Sheath. This is bright, super bright, super blue. I really like this. This is, I typically go for more muted colors like black and grays and things like that. But, you know, if you're looking for something that'll stand out a little bit more, it looks classy, then you might consider this electric blue. I'm just kind of showing these side by side. They are the same case. Let me zoom in here so you can see a little bit better. So yeah, there you go. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you all the new case so you can check out the new color. If you want to see my review of the Caudabe Sheath, I've got a couple that I've done in the past, so definitely go check out my other videos. And if you like this kind of content, you want to see more cases like this, you know, let me know, one, in the comments below, what do you want to see? But two, subscribe and like the video, and we'll do some more. So I appreciate you checking this one out. This is the Caudabe Sheath in electric blue. Some hotness right here. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks. Bye.